This lies in our head. It exists only partially. My name is Jitendra Kumar Biswal. I call myself, or rather describe myself as a state awardee cine actor, a motivational counselor, an activist, and also an astroanalyst. I have had my own education. And not only, I have one, but I have 4 degrees to my credit. A degree in economics, a degree in law, postgraduate diploma in computer application, and a certificate in business management. To achieve all these things, it has taken me more than 30 years of hard work and time.
I'm Asha Hans, Executive Vice President of Shanta Memorial Rehabilitation Center. I'm an academic from Utkal University and now running the center. I have known Jitendra for many years since he was a student here. And the Odisha State Disaster Management Authority asked us to set up a disability cell, that there would be a place where they could go to and which would also help the government in carrying out their work with persons with disability during any kind of disaster that came. We thought that Jitendra was fit for it. There is a reason behind it, because he has a wide interest in the disability issues, and we also thought that maybe a person with a disability would be good for the movement. And as such, there are very few very literate, very people who can talk in the field that could create change. And I think that is what we had thought that Jitendra would be able to do, because we have come to know him over the last 1 year and seen the extent of work that he does, whether it is in movie making or whether as an actor or as a activist out on the field, joining non-disabled people in protest movements.
As a freelance writer, a couple of years back, I was given an assignment to profile Jitendra in a book called Be the Change. When I met Jitendra, interacted with him, delved into the character, tried to understand his emotional quotient, his intellectual quotient, and when I came out of the character, I found myself more mellowed and more matured, not only as a writer, but as a human being. This wheelchair-bound Jitendra has the wings of willpower. He is airborne today, and the wings of willpower defies the basics of aerodynamics. Such is the character. Also, when the film was being shot, a parallel story was being run. And whereas in the film, the lead lady parts ways with Jitendra, here Sefali accepted Jitendra despite he being wheelchair bound, despite his angularities or idiosyncrasies in the character, she has accepted. So in these two characters, Jitendra and Sefali, I found the most romantic couple in the state.
पहियों पे जिंदगी ये मेरी करती है बातें मुझसे। चार पहियों पे जिंदगी ये मेरी करती है बातें मुझसे। पूछती है तेरी ख्वाहिशों का वजूद क्या है तुझ में। कोशिश मेरी ख्वाहिशों की वजूद बन रही है। जीने की चाहत मेरी भी है, जैसे सभी जी रहे हैं। चार पहियों पे जिंदगी ये मेरी करती है बातें मुझसे। पूछती है तेरी ख्वाहिशों का वजूद क्या है तुझ में।
Hi, I'm Shefali. I am life partner of Jitendra Kumar Bishwal, and we are staying together since 3.5 years. He is the most energetic person in anything he is having. He is very happy in that. He is so lively. When I see him, I sometimes I feel very much down and all. When I see him in front of me, I just feel he is the person who I can trust, who I can see and get my all the energies for whole the day. He's having disabilities, like 100% disabilities in his life, and he in his wheelchair he usually think that he can do everything. He want to do lot of things, like he is fighting for Rajya Sabha itself. We need a voice to raise for us. We don't want our upcoming generation to face those difficulties.
I'm Ashok sir. I know Jitendra from the mid-90s as an entrepreneur. In fact, that time I was working with Bharat Petroleum, and Jitendra was a leading dealer of Castrol lubricants. And I accidentally met him when he landed up for an interview for a Bharat Petroleum dealership of petrol pump. Then after a long time, we met in one of the forums where some activities were being conducted for people with disability. And after that, we have been meeting very regularly. You know, he is a party person. Anytime you want, he is ready, to have some good time. Almost, very lively person, despite all these limitations. Always very lively, jolly, and looking forward to live life fully.
My name is Sneha Mishra and I'm secretary of an organization called AINA. As an organization, we have been actually working in the field of disability and promoting the rights of persons with disability. And that's how we conduct a film festival on the issues of disability. And I came to know that Jitendra, being himself a person with disability, has become a hero in one of the films. That's how actually, I came to know about it. I have actually find out very few people who has that kind of conviction, not only in the issues of disability, but in many other issues, many other social issues. He really gets into the issue with a lot of, research work. He developed the knowledge, he kind of, build on the knowledge and then get into the action and get into the advocacy thing. He has become an advocate for the rights of persons with disability, not only the disability issues, but many other social issues. And he takes a stand. That's how he actually stands out from other people.
Hi, my name is Kalki Krishna and I'm the neighbor of Jitendra Bishwal. So we know each other since last 4 years. Actually, I got to know him, he was doing his film and I'm a journalist, so it's an obvious thing that I got to know him. But then coincidentally, I started living in the same apartment that he is living. So we actually started sharing a bond with each other. Then we became very, very, very close friends with him and with his very loved girlfriend. Then now we are like a family, and he is the most the happiest person I actually know. I haven't seen anybody happier than him. And most importantly, the thing we are calling that the person with disability is doing so much of thing. But trust me, I want to add a little bit thing over here, that he doesn't do actually things with a person of disability, or he is doing things for the who are disabled person. He has done everything that a normal person do. Any issue, you call it any issue, there is something happening, something doing here, something happening there, he will be right there. He doesn't do things for only for separate people or only for people who are like him. He does every single thing a normal person can do.
हम हमेशा कुछ ढूंढते रहते हैं, मतलब पता नहीं क्या ढूंढते रहते हैं, मतलब हमेशा लाइफ में सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो पाते हैं कोई भी चीज में। लेकिन दा से मिला जितेंद्र, तो जो उनके अंदर कमियां हम सोचते हैं, मतलब आम इंसान या कोई भी जो लोग सोचते हैं कि यार कुछ तो कमियां है, लेकिन वो जो कमियां उनके पास हैं, हम जो सोचते हैं एक्चुअली में कमियां है नहीं, वो अपना स्ट्रेंथ समझते हैं। वो हमेशा वो अपने बारे में नहीं सोचते हैं, वो सोसाइटी के बारे में सोचते हैं, अपने जो स्पेशली जो एबल हैं उनके बारे में सोचते हैं। मतलब रैंप बन रहा है या जो फैसिलिटीज एडवांटेजेस मिल रहा है, हमें क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है। वो खुद के लिए नहीं लड़ते हैं, वो सबके लिए लड़ते हैं। तो डेफिनेटली वो एक सोसाइटी के लिए रोल मॉडल है, आई बिलीव।
हम टैक्सी गाड़ी चले गए, सर के पास 2 साल हो गया, अच्छा लगा मेरे को काम करना। सर को पास नहीं छोड़ेंगे, सर के साथ में रहेंगे।
मेरा नाम सुधीर कुमार साहू। मो सार को सेवा करबा पई 20 वर्ष पर्यंत है अछि। जो मो अन्य आड़े गति नहीं करबा कि नहीं जीवार, बाबूर जो चाली बोली नहीं पारबार, तारो तांकर सेवा कले धर्म हेबो बोली कि तांकर पाखे ए पर्यंत मो काम करू अछि।
My next goal is to go to the parliament, go to the Rajya Sabha. We have been demanding political empowerment of persons with disability, seeking 4% reservation from Panchayat to Parliament. Because Parliament is the highest forum, and our voices of disability have to be there to raise our, issues and concerns. Because that is where, policies are made and implemented. If our voice is not adequately represented there, then we can't, hope or expect to see any discernible change any sooner.
I would like to see Jitendra being a leader, definitely. He has a lot of interest in politics, and why not? I think a person with his kind of conviction and his kind of passion should be there in politics, and then should be working for a larger section of people who are actually deprived, and he can better advocate for the people who are disadvantaged, and definitely can become a good leader in our country.
I know him in going around government offices, trying to sensitize people about various issues. Either it is part of the law, which is the right to people with disability, or he can take funding for some support activities. So now his entrepreneurial part is over, and that's something very desirable. He has made enough to make a decent living, and now he is giving back to society, which is very, very heartening.
And I must say, it all depends upon you. It's a kind of the mind over the matter. The doctor always predicted I'll not live initially beyond the age of 16. Then some other predicted I'll not live beyond the age of 20. Then somebody else said not beyond 27. But today I am 48 years and 4 months old. And I'm still, going here and having an eye full of dreams. So the basic thing is, if you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you never can.